Hi everybody, this is Shevin. How are you today? Something new from Google Suites. Google Slides now has captioning. Yay! Imagine this in your classroom. Okay, so you have the presentation up on the screen and the kids are watching and you're talking and some of them are listening and some of them are not listening and or you're doing a presentation for a PD or during a staff meeting and some of them are listening and some of them are not listening and some of them are trying to listen and but they keep missing some of the things that you're actually saying. How about if they could the people who are watching the presentation could read the captions across the bottom. This can be done live or it could be done as a recording. So you're watching a recording of me doing this. And so it's there forever as opposed to a live presentation where it just happens and you lose it. But it's still cool. It's still the coolest stuff ever. So this is how it works. On your dashboard, once you open your presentation up, there's a icon, a button there that turns on your captions. And right now it's only in English. Right now it's only in English. I'm sure it will change. As soon as you turn it on, it starts typing out what you are saying. So the people who are trying to listen to your presentation while the loud people behind them are talking can now just read what you're saying and what you're talking about. And they are getting the information they need. And the people behind them are not keeping them from that. Yay, team. As you go through the presentation, you can stop. And as you are explaining things, it is typed out there for whoever's reading to actually read it. This is really great for those who like to read the captions. I'm one of those people who likes to read the captions. I'm the person who has Netflix on, the sound turned down, staring at the screen and reading the captions. I don't know why I like that. I just like that. That's what I do. I read the captions during the movie. I don't watch them. I don't listen to it. I read the captions. I guess I'm trying to, I want to have it make sense to me in my mind and not have the movie tell me this is how it should be. I don't know. I'm crazy that way. But imagine that if you want to read the captions, and of course, there are people who have hearing disabilities and hearing loss who need to read the captions. And so it's really cool to have this available so that as you're going through each slide and you are explaining what's going on in the slide and you're discussing whatever the topic is, they can actually still read and hear what you're saying. So, check this out at your very earliest convenience and try it in your classroom. Try it with a professional development presentation that you're doing. Try it at a staff meeting or tell whoever is going to be doing the next staff meeting that they're doing a Google slide presentation. They need to do this so that you can pay attention and read what's going on, what they're saying. And it's a really, really great upgrade for Google Slides, and I am in love with it. I am in love with it. Um, Pass this along. Tell your friends. Tell me how you like it. Use it. It would be great for flipped lessons and everything. Oh my God, it's great stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.